Hi you guys! Today I'm going to show you how to change your notification sounds on your iPhone. This is super simple, so have your phone on handy so you can follow along as we do it. Let's jump right in. So first I'm going to show you how to generally change your notification sounds on your iPhone. After that I'm going to show you how to change the sounds for certain apps. So to start off, you're going to go to your settings and you're going to scroll down to sounds and haptics. Click on that, then you're going to scroll down to the sounds and haptic patterns. So you're going to go into ringtones and it's going to give you a whole list of the pre-programmed notification sounds that the iPhone already has. You also have the option to go to the tone store or go into all of your downloaded purchased tones. But here you can choose. When you click on one, it's going to replay it. It's also going to show you that each has a different vibration rhythm as well as sound. Once you have that selected, you can also go up to vibration and you can change the vibration as well. So you won't be able to hear it, but if I set it down on the desk, you can also create a new vibration. So if you click on create a new vibration, what you're going to do is just tap to create the pattern. And then I'll click save. You'll also find beneath ringtone, you can change, your text tone, voicemail, new mail, sent mail, calendar alerts, a whole bunch of different things. And you can either have them all as the same or you can have them all different ringtones so you associate different things with different sounds. To change the ringtone for different apps that you have or notifications, you're going to go into your settings, then you'll find notifications, you'll click on that. Scroll down here, you're going to find all of the apps that you have. So once I have the app that I want to change the notification sound on, we're going to scroll down, click on sounds, and then it's going to give you the whole same ordeal, all of these things that you can choose from. And once you have the one that you want, you'll click out of it and it's changed for you. You should note though that some apps won't allow you to change the notification sounds. Some just don't have any notification sounds. So if you don't find that sounds option underneath it, it's probably safe to assume that you just can't change the sound. As a bonus tip, I'm going to show you guys how to change the banner style of notifications on your iPhone. To do this, you're going to go into your settings, you're going to go down to notifications. So at the top, you're going to find 3 different displays. You can either have it as a number, it's going to show you how many notifications you have. This is really great for privacy. If you don't want people seeing your messages or certain notifications while your phone is off, they can't access that. They can only see how many you have. Stack is good if you want to save space. Sometimes notifications can be overstimulating, and to have it stacked like that and have the option to tap on it and then expand your notifications is great. Other times people like a list, and it's just going to list off all your notifications and you can scroll through. Once you have it selected, it's good as gold and you can continue on. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. I hope that this was helpful and I hope that you could use this information or pass it on to somebody else who needs it. I will see you guys in the next video.